3 things that homeowners can do to boost the value of their home prior to listing their home. Hi, my name is Axel Ziba. I'm managing broker at Maxit Realty, and I'm here to point out a 3 list of to-do to help you boost the value of your home. Number 1, accentuate the positive. Write a list of the things you fall in love when you purchased this home back then. That's gonna make the same buyers fall in love with them, and I'm gonna expose those things for you. Number 2, don't overdo it. If you're doing renovation, make sure you don't overdo the renovation. Make it simple. Simplicity pays the best. And number 3, do the inspection. It doesn't have to be the buyers doing the inspection. It can be the sellers to get rid of the surprises down the road. On a note, the market is constantly changing, so as the valuation of your home. In order for you to get the free valuation of your home, make sure you contact me or click on the link below to get your free valuation right now.